we're going to start some neck hygiene work, okay? First one we're going to start with is Recline is Divine. It's an Old Faithful. I want to break it down to a lot of little pieces so you can see how it'll help your neck and shoulders. You're going to go into sitting like you know how to do. Get on the back of your thighs. Here's where I want you to really work. I want you to have a folding chair or a low back chair. And the next step is going to either, if it's got a back, I'm going to press into the back and let my shoulders come up so I can stretch my spine. Or if you've got a folding chair, you just put your hands on the sides. But what we're doing is we're really going to sit here and feel a nice long stretch of the spine. And we're feeling like we're pulling our shoulders off the way you pull a sweatshirt off. So I'm up like that. I'm getting a nice long extension of my spine, and then I'm going to drape. Now I'm going to drape with this on my chair because this chair is kind of hard and I'm kind of bony. So up, that's step one. Get a good stretch. We may do it a few times. Step two is I want this to be resting. I don't want it to be like this. I'm not like this. I'm not over it. I'm just resting back. And then we're going to keep the shoulders down, and we're going to put the hands behind the head, and we're going to get a nice, comfortable, really good cradle for the base of the skull to sit in. So this is an exercise that works arms and nothing else. And then we'll go through a series of breathing where we drop the weight here, like we release here, and with the weight of the chest, we release our thighs, we'll release our belly. And the more we release, the more heavier the head gets in the hands. But you won't be doing this. That isn't getting heavy. That's called bending. I know you know that, but anyway. So it's not something you can really see. It's something you feel that your arms start working to get all of this to let go. So that this, afterwards, feels so much more free. See you Saturday.